supporting me. I need to be taller.
There's a van.
Huh?
There's a van.
I was just fine, dude.
You're gonna do it in front of him?
Huh?
In front of him?
In front of her?
As a girl? Either way, you're not.
I'm gonna just do something real quick. Giving the Amazon guy a little bit of a show.
Oh, it's so clean.
Right? It's so clean now. I forgot. I haven't showed you. Oh, jeez. I haven't been able to show you guys. But, yeah, you see it, don't you? But, we got the garage all cleaned. It's looking super nice in here. We don't have the Subaru in here now. Everything's just so nice and organized looking. And look. I even have my own drawer in the toolbox now. With all my tools and stuff. Looking beautiful. Alright, but if you guys haven't been able to tell already, I got a new camera. I picked up a GoPro this morning. I managed to pick one up brand new on UpperUp for only 150 bucks. It's a GoPro Hero 6 Black, so I mean it's not like the newest, but I'm sure it's gonna be more than enough for drifting over at Spirit Peaks. But yeah, so today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the parking brake assembly in the back, check the shoes out, because like no matter what we do, like I've tried tightening it up already like 2 times and it's still not wanting to lock up whatsoever. So we're gonna take a look at that, determine whether or not I need new shoes, and then we'll go from there. I've been debating the last couple days like going and just like doing a complete brake job, but I think if I can get away with just doing the parking brake for right now, then I'm just gonna stick with that because I'm already blowing so much money in like the last few days on like new tires, GoPro, all this different stuff. And I just wanna try and get by on my first day at the track with spending like as little money as possible. So yeah, today we're gonna figure out the brake shoes. So let's get these wheels off and take a look at them. Alright, so getting to the parking brake assembly is pretty easy. All you need to do is take out this little Allen bolt, and then pretty much this just slides off. You also have to take off the brake caliper. That's easy though, it's just 2 little bolts, and then this just slides off. And then you want to keep that hung up by something so you don't pull on the brake lines. Alright, so I got the brake off, got the little bolt that goes in right here out. So now, this should just come off. Oh wait. Yeah, you got parking brake? It's off?
I can't do it.
You can't do it? Alright, now that the parking brake is off, this should just come off pretty... Yeah. There we go. So yeah, I think we're just gonna blast it with some brake clean, get all this cleaned up. And then I don't know, we might just try and go for some further adjustment to get this to lock up, because it doesn't look like these pads are worn down like stupid crazy. So yeah, we'll probably just adjust this and then we'll go give her a small little test. God. Just from spraying it, so much gunk is coming off. Jeez.
Oh, your brake shoes are like cracking.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, on this side it's way worse.
Yeah, and on this one too.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some really bad cracking on this side. There's not nearly that much cracking on the other side. Fuck, so maybe I do need to get new shoes then. Yeah, that might be the move. Yeah, I'll check like O'Reilly's real quick and see if they have anything. Best, we might have to make a run to O'Reilly's real quick. Alright, so I was able to find a full set of brake shoes plus springs on FCP Euro for about 30 bucks. So I'm gonna probably just order those instead of going over O'Reilly's, because from what I looked at, AutoZone and O'Reilly's, they only have the brake shoes. And I thought, since I'm doing this anyways, I might as well just replace the springs while I'm at it. So yeah, I'm gonna order those, wait for those to come in, and then we'll be able to replace the brake shoes. While I have these open though, I guess I might as well just tighten these up for the time being and try to get as much out of these as I can, because I want to try at least one like small e-brake initiation somewhere just to see what it feels like, because I have yet to feel what using my e-brake and locking up the rear wheels feels like. But yeah, like I said, this is pretty easy to adjust. All you have to do is figure out which way to spin this, and then just spin this little thing. Bet. Alright, now that that's a little tight, let's see how this fits over it. Make sure nothing is dragging or anything. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, like this isn't able to really spin on there, so I tightened it a little bit too much. So you can hear there's still like just a tiny bit of drag. Nothing too much. This will probably be good enough. So now we just gotta line back up the hole to hold the rotor on. Where'd my little boy go? Ah, there he is. Ugh. Alright, so I don't know if I talked about this already, but we found a leak on the diff. So you can see there's a bit of wetness on there. Initially we thought it was the cover that was leaking, but comes to find out it's actually coming from like the little input flange thing right here. So we did some research and we found out it's a seal that has gone out. So we went and took apart Gabe's old diff, and we found that, boom, this little piece that sits inside the flange in here is all probably busted out on mine. So when I go to buy the brake shoes from FCP Euro, I also found that they sell that seal. So I'm gonna pick both those up and then we'll replace that when those things come in. So we're heading out real quick. I found a set of tires on OfferUp.
Did you grab the GoPro out?
I didn't, but it's not back there, so I'm assuming it's...
What if you ran that over?
That's gonna be tough if I already ran that over. All right, we're not worried about that right now. Okay. Take two. All right, so we're heading out to go meet this chick. I found a full set of tires on OfferUp for $100, and it was perfect because when I saw it, it just said Drifter Special at the top, and it's just a full set of tires. It looks like they have a pretty good amount of tread left, so hopefully those tires will at least get me through my first event. I figure I'm getting a really good deal on them, so I'm pretty hyped. Never gets old. Alright, so we just picked up the tires. They have a bit more tread even than I thought on them. They still have a pretty good amount of life left, but they're 205 55/16s, so they're just like a tad bit taller than the ones that I have on here right now. So I might have to end up raising the front a little bit just because I'm only gonna be running these on the rear, so they'll probably bring up the rear just a little bit. So I don't know. We'll see how it's sitting once I get them mounted up. I'm probably gonna get them mounted up. Probably this week. I'm gonna try to this week. I need to run over to Tire Dogs and then ask them how what their selection's like for used tires too. So yeah, we're gonna get back to the shop and we'll see what's going on there.
Yeah.
All right, so since we just did the parking brake, I'm gonna see if it'll lock up now. Oh, I pray to God. I don't think it did. Here, we'll turn around. We'll go a little bit faster. See what happens. locks it up like a little bit. Maybe if I'm going faster, it would work. Here, let's try it again. So first gear or second gear doesn't have the gusto when I'm going that slow, but it locks it up a little bit. It might be enough for the track. I guess we'll just see. I don't know. I'm probably gonna have to adjust the parking brake cable now though. It probably got stretched a little bit. All right guys, we're back home. There wasn't much going on at the garage, so we just decided to call it a day. I think that's gonna end it for this video though, guys. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.